Growing up, I was always drawing something, getting in trouble for drawing stuff in all the kids' books that my mom and dad had. I was kind of an artsy kid. We call them weirdos, but that's probably not nice. It's kind of like I would see something and almost want to capture the essence of that. It's relaxing, it's enjoyable. It's what I was meant to do. This is some of the other paintings that I did for that book illustration. This one's kind of fun. Just some of the wildflowers in North Dakota that you'd find out in the Badlands. Of course, they don't all bloom at the same time, but I took artistic license. This kind of was the jumping off point for the city of Bismarck and public art. We were able to prove at that point to the city that public art is a good thing, and so it's really turned an alley in downtown Bismarck into a fun community place. The goddess mural is one of my very favorites because it reflects a number of different cultures from around the world. To be given the opportunity to do something like that was really a cool experience. I put my brush up for the first brush stroke up on the wall, and I looked down and I thought, what have I gotten myself into? It was this long white space, and I was like, oh my God, this is gonna take me forever. When I did the Heritage Art Tunnel, it's all North Dakota history. It's the two main industries of North Dakota. You've got the energy industry on this side, and you've got the agriculture industry on that side. And it moves from prehistoric times to modern day and into the future. So there's a whole lot of symbolism in here. 2,000 square feet of fun. One of the biggest issues with this particular surface is that you've got the caulking in here, which expands and contracts with the temperatures. Every once in a while, you got to come down and repair, so it doesn't peel up and do damage. So we try and keep that to a minimum wherever we can. North Dakota's got extreme weather, so you have to really prepare your surface. That's when I went to Menards and I was like, what do you recommend? And that's when I was told about Pittsburgh.
So you're coming around the corner and it's like, ooh, we get to do something fun.
Melissa is a fantastic resource for anything paint. She saved me time, she saved me money, and she saved me a lot of headaches.
We're here to teach. Almost every person that comes in here, you teach them something. I just want to make sure that everyone gets the guest service that they want to when they come here to Menards.
If I have a difficult surface that I am working on, she can recommend the best product to use in any project that I have.
Thank you.
Yeah, you are. You're my go-to. I'm so satisfied with Menards. I love Menards. I really do. Everybody always is happy to see me when I walk up to the paint counter. They want to know what I'm working on. They're interested in what I'm doing.
She's more of a friend at this point.
They're just like a second family up there to me. And anybody that's looking for paint, go to Menards, best paint counter in town.